In this video, I'll show you how to use ManyChat for Instagram DMs. So of course, we're going to go to ManyChat. And then what we want to do is go to the left-hand side and click on the settings cog. Inside of here, you'll see channels, and we're going to link Instagram. Then you want to click on connect. Now here it'll prompt you to log into Instagram. And once you do, just hit continue and then save. And then you can choose to go to the pro trial or use the free plan. We'll stick with free for now. Then click on let's get started. Then on the left hand side, we want to click on automation. And on the top right, we want to click on new automation. And you have various automation options here. So I'll just choose say hi to new followers. So let's click on next on the left. And now you'll see on the left hand side, we can set up our DM, write whatever we want, and what the response needs to be to send the follow-up. And then if we click next again, we can write our message in our DM link, and we can add a link to maybe our product, our website, whatever it is. And there are tons of different automations on here, but that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.